Hi everyone, welcome to another short deal with it video. This time I'm going to be sharing how I quickly added some new stickers onto my Misty to give it a fresh, new, and clean look. Now when I first got my Misty, I absolutely love the pink color, but as I use it more and more, it's getting a little grimy and sometimes I just want a little bit of a change. This is a very cheap way to do it. These stickers retail for $4 and they come in two different colors. I have the blue or the turquoise here, and it also comes in a white color if that's more your style. Now, some people take off the rulers, the pink stickers that are already on there. That is totally fine if you want to do that. I am actually going to leave mine on there. I tried to peel mine up. They were pretty stuck down, so I didn't want a chance ripping them and then having a mess to kind of scrape off those stickers that might be stuck on there. So I'm just going to place mine right over the old rulers that are already on there. You don't want to do that too many times or you'll get a raised edge because these are a thicker type of sticker. But I'm just changing these to turquoise now, and then later on if I want to, I can pull these off and have my pink stickers underneath. What I did first and foremost, this is something that Helen, who is on the Joy Claire design team with me, she suggested go ahead and run some isopropyl alcohol, clean off any residue, any glue that might be on those old stickers and around the edges. That way you get the best adhesion possible. The next thing I want to do is trim up my old stickers. Sometimes they just get a little stretched out. Mine actually came like this. These are, I believe I had one of the earlier ones, maybe, I'm not sure, but the stickers weren't exactly on there where they needed to be. I had a little bit of overhang, so I just flipped that over, ran my craft knife along the edge, and trimmed off that little bit of excess. Now I am starting on the sides. That's something you want to do, so then when you go and place on your top or your one on the very bottom there, that is going to cover up the edges that these don't quite go all the way down. So you'll see what I mean in just a moment. I start off with one side, line that up, and then run my two fingers all the way along the edge as I place down and kind of press up against that sticker. That is going to make sure it runs all the way down straight and it's not cockeyed or off to one side or the other. I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Again, just lining this up, and then once I have it lined up the first time, I'm going to take my two fingers, run it along the edge, and as I press this sticker down and kind of pull it down towards the one. So I'm starting at the 6, going towards the 1. Another thing is take your time with this. You only get really one shot with this, so make sure you're taking your time. You can pull it up slightly, but once these things stick down, they are pretty sticky. They're on there for good. So take your time with this process. Now you can see I've got my two sides on there, and they don't go all the way down towards the bottom, but that one long sticker is going to fix that and cover up those ends. Now you could cut these off if you wanted to before you put them down. I didn't want to run the risk of cutting them a little bit too short or a little bit too long and then it looks off. So I just left them as is, and I'm going to cover up those two sort of ends with this long sticker. Again, I'm starting off on the 8 side, and then I'll just run my two fingers along as I press down towards the 1. Now you can see I got a little off here, so I'm going to go ahead and peel that up. I got that one shot to peel it up, but now I'm going to go ahead and run my finger along, make sure the edges are lined up, and press down as I do so, and there, that one is stuck down perfectly too. It covered up those two ends, and if I ever wanted to, I could probably peel these up and have my pink stickers still underneath. But again, if you want to take those pink ones off, by all means do so. It's as easy as that, just to change up the look. I absolutely love the way this looks. And also, I'm going to go ahead and place my little mouse pad back in. This is another cheap little thing to grab while you're at the My Sweet Petunia store that really helps with your stamping, cleaning off. You don't have to go through so many paper grid pads. There's a final look, and I'm going to leave a few different links off to the left-hand side if you want to check out a few more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and happy crafting.